The farm animals. Sheep. A baby sheep is called a lamb. Lamb. Pig. A baby pig is called a piglet. Piglet. Horse. A baby horse is called a foal. Foal. Cow. A baby cow is called a calf. Calf. Rooster. Chicken. A baby chicken is called a chick. Chick. Goat. A baby goat is called a kid. Kid. Donkey. A baby donkey is also called a foal. Foal. Goose. A baby goose is called a gosling. Gosling. Duck. A baby duck is called a duckling. Duckling. Rabbit. A baby rabbit is called as a kitten. Dog. A baby dog is called as a puppy. Puppy. Cat. A baby cat is called a kitten. Kitten.
Old McDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O. With a here and a there, here a, there a, everywhere. Old McDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
the farm animal? Listen to the clues. Guess the farm animal and win a star. It likes to eat grass, it provides milk, and it makes the moo sound. Yes, it's a cow. It has feathers, it lays eggs, and it makes the cluck cluck sound. Yes, it's a chicken. It provides wool and makes the baa baa sound. Yes, it's a sheep. It has webbed feet and makes the quack quack sound. Yes, it's a duck. It runs fast and makes the neigh sound. Yes, it's a horse. It's pink in color and makes the oink oink sound. Yes, it's a pig. Good job, here's a star for you. Are you ready for some fun? Look closely at the shadow and try to guess which farm animal it is. What animal it is? Is it the cow or the rooster? Yes, it's a cow. What animal is it? Is it a cow or a rabbit? Yes, it's a rabbit. What animal is it? Is it a goat or a pig? It is a goat. What animal is it? Is it a rooster or a sheep? Yes, it is a rooster. Well done, everyone.